Welcome to Tech Boss. Again, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset LG K20. Before we start this process, I ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload next video you can get notification. And let's start the process. Also comment, let us know in the comment if this video helped you so we can know the progress of our job. And let's start the process. First, you must turn off your phone. Press and hold on the power to turn off your phone. Off. And remove your battery. And reinsert it again. One, you must press the power, and here the down volume. You must press and hold on them like this. Press and hold on the power and down volume like this. When you see the LG logo here, release the power or leave the power, and we press on the power again instantly. You must be very quick. So let's start. One, down volume, power, power again, leave the up and repress on the power again. Me myself, I have tried this thing so many times before it comes. So if you try it once it didn't come, try it again. Just simple, press and hold on the power and the up volume and the down volume, and the down volume. When you see the LG logo, and press and release the power and repress on the power again. Now press down volume to come down, and power as okay. Select yes here, come down, power to select.